Welcome to DemoCloud Experience Center. DemoCloud is an enabling platform for Huawei data communication solutions. It provides users with various functions, including data communication solution experience services, learning and training, as well as communication and interaction. If you want to use the platform, click Experience Now and log in with your Uniportal account. If you do not have a Uniportal account, click Register. For your better experience on DemoCloud, use your email address to apply for a Uniportal account. If you already have a Uniportal account registered using a mobile number, find an email address. You can click Help to learn more about the Uniportal account. Before starting your journey on the platform, click Enterprise Service Experience Permission Application to apply for the experience permission. Select Global DemoCloud Competence Center. Enter the required information and click Submit. After the administrator approves your application, you can log in to DemoCloud. If you have any questions or comments, click Contact Us to send an email. Click Experience Now to start your experience journey on DemoCloud. Under Products and Portfolios, there are Campus, Data Center, WAN, and Security Solutions. Each solution includes multiple scenarios and sub-scenarios for you to experience. To experience Huawei data communication solutions, you only need 4 steps. Seeing is believing. Now, let's select a solution to experience. After accessing the scenario page, you can view the solution overview. The How to Experience part includes demo guide and case overview. For some solutions, there is also scenario-specific experience. Under Demo Guide, you can view materials related to the solution, including the latest demonstration guide materials, demonstration videos, and operation guides. Under Case Overview, you can view the videos and interactive guides of all demonstration cases in the scenario. You can add a case to favorites so that you can quickly find the case in your personal center. After learning the guide documents related to this scenario, let's see how to make a reservation and perform operations. You can click Reserve Now, select the scenario to experience, and click Reserve. 2 modes are available: Classic and Compact. The default mode is Classic. In Classic mode, you can select an available environment and time segment as required. In Compact mode, the system recommends available environments and time segments based on the environment availability status. After the reservation, you can view all the environments that you have successfully reserved in the My Environment list and experience them. After you enter the experience environment, the environment description is displayed on the left. The network topology is on the right. For a complex and large network topology, you can use the navigation function to view the topology panorama. Then click Connect in the navigation bar, or click an NE in the network topology to open the NE Service Operation UI. After you select and log in to an NCE device that provides the Web UI, the system automatically logs you into the NCE Web UI. When you select and log in to the jump host, the system automatically opens the operation interfaces of some NEs. After logging into NEs such as routers, switches, and firewalls, you can run commands on the CLI. Learning on Cloud provides HCDX-Datacom certification for Huawei pre-sales employees, including HCDA, HCDP, and HCDE. In addition, DemoCloud provides an interactive community for online Q&A, interaction and sharing, and experience exchange. New platform, new experience. Start your new journey on DemoCloud.